Okay guys, for this video, I will be showing you how to complete the shapes worksheet that I posted right here. So you're just going to click on that worksheet and it'll open up. And first we're going to type our name. And then, so to color the shapes on here, you're going to click on it and click edit. And this one says color the circles blue. So we're going to edit it and then we're going to find the circles. So if it's a circle, we're going to click on it and then click this little paint bucket right here and pick a blue. And you're just going to do that with all of the circles on here to color them blue. And then save and close up here. And they should all your circles should be blue. And then you're going to go down and do the same thing for the next one. Those are your squares and you're going to color them red. So you're just going to click on whichever ones you think are squares and color them red by clicking on them in the bucket and make it red. But remember, we're only doing the squares. So if you accidentally do the wrong shape, just click on it, click the bucket and make it white. And save it and close, and it'll go back to our worksheet and it'll look the same. And there are 6 different shapes that we're going to color, and you do the same thing on each one. And then when you're done, there'll be a little turn in button up here and just turn it in. And I also wanted to show you that I posted a chart that can help you, and they have your shapes on it. So if you guys need help on the shapes worksheet, this chart will help you, and you guys can use that.